Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to look at the scenario OSCE application of eye ointment, that is tetracycline. So we have a scenario here. At this station, there is an outpatient seated on a chair with an eye problem. Then the instruction: apply the tetracycline ointment and move to the next station when the bell rings. So let's look at the procedure. Number one, explain the procedure to the patient and provide privacy. We'll use the screen. You need to touch the screen for the examiner to see that you have already provided privacy. Number two, you prepare the tray and bring it to the bedside. This one, if the tray is not set, but if the tray is set, you just bring the tray next to the patient. And position the patient in a sitting up position. Then after that, you need to wash your hand and put on glove to protect the patient and you from cross infection. Place a fold of swab on the lower lid of the eye. Then draw up the upper lid. Then place the nozzle of the eye ointment 1 centimeter away from the lower lid and press the eye ointment horizontally from within outward on the lower lid. Wipe off any surplus ointment gently using a sterile swab. Thanks the patient and clear away. Then record the procedure for continuity of care. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.